Alright, hello there. What's up, YouTube? We're back. Kia and Grandma.
Grandma Minnie.
So, because of all the comments I was getting, I haven't even shared anything with her yet. I actually wanted to do it in front of you guys so you guys can hear her response. And she'll tell you thank you right from her own lips. So, we have T. Will. She said, please tell your grandma how much we appreciate her time and knowledge with her smart, cute self.
Oh my goodness. She is so sweet.
And then someone else named Joy M. She said, your grandma is everything, and everything in all caps.
Oh, how precious.
Yep. And then Nanya Bennis said, shouts out to Grandmama. She is a true queen.
Oh, live it.
And then Tammy Bear, she said, thank you so much for allowing us to hear the knowledge and wisdom from your beautiful grandmother. Wow. So all these people really appreciate the advice that you've been sharing with them about how to take care of hair. As you can see, my grandma, she has been taking care of my hair since I was a little girl, and I just basically followed the tools and steps that she has given me to keep it going. Alexa said, loved this. She's so on point, and both are rocking the same hair color. So I don't know if you remember, but in our video we both had purple hair in.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
No, it wasn't planned. So yeah. And now look at her hair color.
And I would have did my hair if I had known I was going to be on camera.
And Chunky Monkey said, I also loved how she emphasized healthy, long, and short hair.
Correct.
Healthy hair is the goal. She's so amazing. Talking about you. Miss Tyresha said, yes, Grandma, come through with that good knowledge. She is absolutely right. Y'all better listen. I have those same general practices and my hair is down my back.
Good. And it can grow.
Yep.
Until she said, oh, I'm tired of this growing. It's too heavy.
Yeah.
I have to tilt my head.
I'm starting to feel like that a little bit. Like I want to cut some.
Yeah.
It started to be like, too much. And it's about to be summertime too. So those are a few of the comments that I chose to pull out from all you guys. Yep.
All the comments. Each and every one of you told my granddaughter.
For you. She said,
amazing.
Yep. They were like, Terry, Grandma, thank you so much for your wisdom.
And they are all so welcome, and I have so many other things to tell them to keep their hair healthy, even if it's short, medium, or long. I have a lot of information to give to each and every one of them. And if they follow the information, the hair can grow as long as they want, but the main objective is healthy hair, regardless to the length.
If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave your questions in the comments, and we will get Grandma to come back and share some more wisdom on how to get your hair healthy. Like you said, healthy hair, whether it's long or short, is the goal. So go ahead and leave your questions, and we'll have her Grandma answer.
And thank you all. I'm Grandma Minnie is what everyone calls me. So I'm your grandmother too, even to the ones that don't have a grandmother. I'm Grandma Minnie. Thank you all for beautiful comments that you had about me and my grandbaby. And I began doing her hair when she was 2 years old. I had this board I would sit across the chair, and I'd sit her on the chair and lean her back, and she loved to get her hair shampooed. So we've been on a long journey together. May the Father of the whole environment bless you all, each and one of you.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.